If you repair fireplaces in Colorado Springs, you already know how the work comes in. A damper sticks, a chimney starts smoking, a gas log will not light, or a homeowner in the Broadmoor or Briargate wants the fireplace ready before the first real cold snap. They do not open the yellow pages. They search Google, usually on a phone, and they call one of the first three names they see. If your shop is not in that map pack, the job is gone before you ever hear the phone ring. Having a website is not enough anymore. 70% of local clicks go to those top three map results. Fireplace work is seasonal, so the shops that stay visible in October and November take the rush, and the shops that only show up in February fight over leftovers. Google rewards an active Google business profile with real project photos, consistent name, address, and phone, fresh reviews, and service areas that match where you actually roll a truck. It also rewards neighborhood pages, not just a generic Colorado Springs keyword. Broadmoor, Old Colorado City, Rock Rimmon, and the rest of town search like different markets. At Casey's SEO, we help fireplace repair companies fix those exact gaps. Profile, citations, reviews, and pages that match how people search. No ranking theater. No guarantees of number one, just a clear plan that makes the phone ring. Stop letting competitors take the winter calls that should be yours. Call 719-639-8238 and tell us what you do and where you do it. No pressure, no sales script, just a clear plan. Or go to caseysSEO.com.